Your power bank lantern is a fantastic multifunctional item that comes in your Elite Ready backpack. Simply press the button on the bottom and it turns on the LED flashlight. Also, slide by giving it a gentle tug and you have a lantern. To close it, just simply push it closed. You also have a handle where you can hang it and use it as a lantern in your tent or wherever you're at. Also, if you press the button again on the bottom, it is a signal light. Also, great for emergencies. On the bottom, it has a built-in magnet. When you attach it to a metallic item, such as on the back of your car or the trunk of your car, if you have a flat tire at night, it can be a great safety item. Simply press the button again, turns on the LED flashlight. Hold the button until the light powers off. The power bank lantern is a great way to charge your devices. Simply slide up the waterproof band using your 4-in-1 cables that come in your Elite Ready backpack to charge a device using your power bank lantern. Simply slide up the waterproof band, insert the UPS connection, then get the device you'd like to charge, find the appropriate connection, in this case the iPhone connection, insert it into the charging port, and your power bank lantern is now charging your device. Now when your power bank lantern needs to be recharged, simply reach for your folding solar charger, which also comes in your Elite Ready backpack. Remove the USB connection from the power bank lantern. Also remove the 4-in-1 cable from the device you were charging. Insert the USB device into your folding solar charger. Then, using the appropriate connection, gently insert the 4-in-1 cable into your power bank lantern, then place your solar folding charger in direct sunlight. Now you will charge your power bank lantern and be able to charge all of your devices and use all of the amazing features of the power bank lantern.